Okay, so let's take a look at this problem here. Tells us that a middle school counselor attempting to correlate school performances with leisure interests found that a group of students, 33, had seen movie A. So let's say the cardinal number of A is 33. All right, 33 see movie A, 31 saw B, so cardinal number of B is 31. Right, 25 have seen C, cardinal number of C is 25. Then it says 16 saw A and B, so A intersecting B is 16. 11 saw A and C, so the cardinal number of A intersecting C is 11, right? Just moving along here. 11 saw B and C. Oops, let's go back. B and C was also 11. 4 saw all three, so the cardinal number of A intersecting B intersecting C is 4. 5 had seen none. Right, so the cardinal number of the complement of all of them is 5. All right, so when we start here, the first thing we do is start on the inside, right? That's first. Always start in the inside. And this is the one of all three of them being intersecting, so that should be pretty easy. That number is 4. Okay, and now from there, we just work our way out. So we can do this one if we wanted to second. Right, notice that is circles A, right? It has circle A and circle C. Okay, so we know that A and C is 11, right? So specifically this is 11. That's 11, but we already know 4. So from that 11, all we're going to be doing is subtracting 4. And that's all we're really going to be doing here, everybody, is just subtracting every time. Right, so we subtract, gives us that one to be 7. Okay, now we can do this one if we wanted to third. Right, that has circles A and B. And A intersecting B is 16. Right, and once again, if this is 16, all we're going to do is subtract that 4. Right, so we do 16 minus 4. And when we do 16 minus 4, it gives us this number to be 12. Okay. This is the next one there. Right, that is our fourth step. That has circles B and C. And B and C is 11. Once again, this is 11. So all we're going to do from there is subtract 4 again. Right, and when we subtract 4, we get that to be 7 in here. Okay, so nice 5 steps so far, right? We have step number 1, 2, 3, 4. And I would do it like this. If you do it like this every time, it should work out very nicely, okay? All right, so now we're going to work with this one. This is our 5th step. Okay, that is A. And when we look at A, it is 33. Keep in mind that it means that everything in A is 33, right? So everything in here is 33, right? And we already have 3 of those numbers. So all we have to do from that 33 is just subtract those numbers, 7, 4, and 12. Once again, this is A. What numbers are already in there? 7, 4, and 12. So we subtract those numbers, okay? So we have 33 minus 7 minus 4 minus 12. When we do that, that gives us this number here to be 10. All right, that was our 5th step. All right, now we're going to go here, our 6th step. Right, that is C, and the cardinal number of C is 25. Once again, what numbers do we already know? What numbers are in C? Right, we have 3 of them. So we're going to subtract those 3 numbers. Okay, so 25 minus 7 minus 4 minus 7. Doesn't matter how you subtract them, all right? When you do that, you should get 7, so that number goes right in here. And that was our 6th step. Now we're going to our 7th step, which is right here. 7th step, and that is B, which is 31. All right, 7th step. Once again, which numbers do we know in B? We know those 3 numbers. So from 31, we just subtract those numbers. 31 minus 12 minus 4 minus 7. 31 minus 12 minus 4 minus 7 gives us this number to be 8. And then the last one, which should be easy because they gave that to us. Right, this here is our 8th step. Right, our 8th step there. And that's just a complement of all of them. Right, which they gave that to us, which was 5, so that goes right in there. So I hope that helps.